Hi, I'm David. Ever wondered why you're obsessed with blue? Or why pink makes you feel safe? Your favorite color isn't just a preference. It's a secret language your subconscious is speaking. Today, we will learn about what your favorite color says about you. We will look at 13 colors. Each color tells us something interesting. First, let's understand something important. Colors are not just pretty. They do many things to us. Colors affect how we feel. Colors change how we act. They can even change your heart rate. And colors help us make choices. For example, red can make your heart beat faster. Blue can make you feel calm. Each color makes our body and feelings react in a special way. Now, let's look at each color. What is your favorite color? Let's find out what it means for you. Number 1, red. If you love red, you seek action. Red is a strong color. It means passion, energy, and being brave. People who like red are often full of life. They are quick to act. They might want to control things in their life. Maybe they want something back that they lost. Red makes our heart beat faster. It makes us feel a sense of needing to do something now. It is okay to feel this need for action. Red is a powerful color. Number 2, orange. If you love orange, you want to connect with others. Orange is a happy color. It means warmth and being social. People who like orange enjoy being with friends. They like being part of a group. But sometimes they can feel tired if they do not have time alone. It is important to have quiet time. If not, they can feel too much or confused. It's good to be with people, but it's also good to rest. You're not alone in needing quiet time. Number 3, yellow. If you love yellow, you feel joy and curiosity. Yellow is a bright color. It means happiness and asking questions. People who like yellow are often creative. They are hopeful. They have many good ideas. But sometimes they can feel restless. They might feel worried deep inside if they do not have a clear plan. It's okay to have many ideas. Just try to find a calm direction for them. Number 4, green. If you love green, you need healing. Green is a calm color. It means new life, balance, and nature. If green is your favorite color, you might be looking for peace. You might need to heal from something. Maybe you want to feel like yourself again. This is true especially after sad or confusing times. It's okay to need healing. Nature and green can help you feel better. Number 5. Blue. If you love blue, you want safety. Blue is a very calm color. It means logic, peace, and trust. Banks and hospitals use blue. They want to show they are stable and safe. If you love blue, you might be a deep thinker. You might be quiet. You need to feel safe emotionally to grow and be happy. It's okay to need safety. We all need to feel secure. Number 6. Purple. If you love purple, you think deeply. Purple mixes red's energy and blue's calm. It means spiritual thinking, creativity, and good feelings. People who like purple are often dreamers. They are artists. They think a lot about life's deep meanings. It's okay to think deeply. Your creativity is a gift. Number 7. Pink. If you love pink, you want gentleness. Pink is a soft color. It means love, kindness, and being gentle. If you like pink, you might want to feel safe in your feelings. You might want more affection. This is often true in your close relationships. Pink can make people feel less angry. It's okay to want gentleness. We all need love and kindness. Number 8. White. If you love white, you want a fresh start. White means purity, being simple, and wanting a clean beginning. Many people use white for a simple look. It means clear feelings. People who love white might want everything to be perfect. Or they might be making big changes in their life. They are starting something new. It's okay to want a new beginning. Every day can be a fresh start. Number 9. Turquoise. If you love turquoise, you need space to breathe. Turquoise mixes blue and green. It brings calm, healing, and clear thoughts. If you like turquoise, you might feel too much pressure. You might feel overwhelmed. You want quiet space. You want to connect with your true self. This color is for people who are learning to let go. They want to find balance again. It's okay to need space. Take time to breathe and relax. Number 10. Silver. If you love silver, you seek harmony. Silver means being elegant. It means smart feelings. It means clear thinking. If you love silver, you want peace. You want calm. You like to think well in hard situations. You can find calm even when things are difficult. It's okay to seek calm. You can find peace in difficult times. Number 11. Black. If you love black, you want protection. Black is sometimes misunderstood. It is not always sad. It means power, deep feelings, and keeping your feelings safe. If you love black, it might mean you are protecting yourself. Maybe you are not ready to let others know your feelings yet. It's okay to protect yourself. Take your time to open up. Number 12. Brown. If you love brown, you want stability. Brown means being grounded. It means being honest. It means being simple. Brown is the color of comfort and old ways. People who love brown want safety for their feelings. They want safety for their things. This is especially true when things are changing a lot. It's okay to want stability. It's good to feel safe and secure. Number 13. Your color preferences can change. It is normal. Maybe you loved red when you were a child. Now, you like black after a sad time. This is completely okay. Colors show how you feel. We see colors with our feelings. A color you loved might now make you sad. This is because it reminds you of a memory. It's okay for your favorite color to change. It means you are growing and feeling new things. Next time you choose that orange shirt or pick a gray background for your phone, stop for a moment. Think. Maybe your mind is telling you something. It is telling you something you cannot say with words yet. Your favorite color does not tell you everything about who you are, but it can be a small hint. It can help you understand yourself better. It can help you understand what your heart needs. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. What's your favorite color whispering to you? Share in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to White Eagle for more insights into the fascinating world of psychology.